I'm Brigadier Sushil Bhasin, a time investment strategist, speaker, trainer, and an author. We are now in the lockdown period, which has been forced on us by COVID-19 environment. We've been into it for about 40 days now, and everyone has had enough time to be able to plan and look at their future. 40 days has been reasonably good time for you to look beyond the predictability curve, peep into the upswing that is likely to be the new normal world, and see what can you do there in whatever business, whatever work you are in. Let me take you through a small example quoting the way we go in for an attack in the army. Now, let's say that this is your border and we need to find out which are the areas which are our targets. Okay, so let's say, for example, supposing this is Lahore and this is Sialkot and this is say Islamabad or whatever. Okay, 3 places. I just mark them. Maybe your objectives, and you're still wondering which one will give us the best results. Now your forces are widespread because you have a long border and you don't know where to cross from. So you could have an option here or here or here or here. So these are the areas you probe into and see, where am I likely to get my success in? Once you probe, in this particular case, it happens where the enemy is weak. We like to enter where the enemy is weak. Okay, so let's say we find this area which suits us. So now when you decided on this, you put all your forces, you hold these in some strength, but put maximum of your strong force here and start getting into the enemy area. And soon what you start doing is what we call a bridgehead. What do you call a bridgehead? Now, bridgehead is an area which you secure, and what you do in this area is you start building up logistics, building up your forces, collect them together and all that. Till you have formed everything, your forces are ready, your equipment, your manpower is all ready, and by now you're also at the same time narrowing down your options as to which of the objectives would give you your final result. So let's say, for example, this is the one, right? So now what we'll do is, from this bridgehead, we'll find a spot which is there for you to break out. So this is called the breakout point. And from here, you go maybe like this, and focus onto this area. Let me put this in the perspective of what I'm talking about right now in the COVID-19 environment. I have all my business options and I look at which ones are the possible ones that can give me my results. The result being that what I look at the market to be like. So I may have 3-4 options right now. So I first look at my strength here. And then I put all my stuff here, which means I do my research, I do everything to build up this. This is a build up. In this case, it is build up of your research, your brainstorming, getting your team together, working out on this, and then deciding which business. So if you are ready, by the time the coronavirus is over, if you are here, then the moment coronavirus is over, you know where to go. But those people who are still hanging around here and saying, let's see when the coronavirus is over, when the new normal world appears, that is the time I'll decide, then you will not be prepared. So this is your preparation. This is your lockdown. So please, this being your lockdown, let me color it red now. This is the time to prepare for your post-corona period. Whatever be your work, Put your resources together, put your research together, and be ready for the attack. The moment it is over, you have got your direction, you have got your resources, you have got your ideas clear, your goals are clear by then, and that is where you strike result. Thank you and all the best.